Welcome to the Python programming course by Ignis Technologies. Now we were talking about the keywords, how we can use the keywords, define our variables, and let's continue that talk. For that we are going to need a new file, and you know how to create a new file quickly. Just press down the control key, move a file a bit, and you're going to create a new file. And we are going to name this file as reserved-keywords. Now I don't like to put spaces between the name of my file because some system violates the convention. When you are going to put a space in that, they are not going to pick up your file or read your file. So my advice would be always put a dash or separate it by underscore. I'll click on OK. Open up reserved keywords so that our previous file identifiers doesn't actually get disturbed. Now it says error, and it will not be analyzed because Python keyword is not being monitored. So I was talking about the same thing. Let me just rename this file. I can do that simply by right clicking and rename, and I'll just say it as keywords or keywords and click on OK. So now it's perfectly fine. Now there are a few rules and regulation while naming out your variables or anything like that. So there are a few reserved keywords which you cannot use, and the good news first is you can recognize them easily when you will code more. A quick hint is all of the Python keywords contain lowercase letters only. So let's write all of them so that you can see what are those, and you can see as I write them the color gets changed. So this is the end, and then we have got assert. You can see Python is helping us out. Break, then there is a class, then there is a continue, then there is a define, and then there is a del. And all of these keywords are not available for our use because all of them have some specific purpose which we are going to cover up. And then there is a elif which we are going to cover up in the few upcoming videos. Else, then there is a exception, and there is a except, and there is a exception. It's not being highlighted because I'll just write it again, except, and I just hate these automatic fillings, but it's quite a lifesaver in most of the cases. So you can see now it's changing the color. Except, then we have got exec. This is for execution. Then we have got the finally keyword. Then we have got a for, and then we have got one more, the from. Then we have got global. Then we have if. Then we have got import, which is quite a useful one in a lot of cases. Then we have got in, is. These are really powerful one. A newly added is lambda. We have got not, or, which are obvious keywords. Then there is a pass, and then there is a print, then there is a raise, try, and after that we have got while, which is a looping keyword. We have got with, and finally we have got the yield. So these are the list of all the keywords which you should avoid using as a variable or maybe a class name. Now you don't need to memorize all of these. You just have to go through just once, just take them out in front of your eyes, and later on when you will code you will encounter all the situations where you will automatically not use all of this. So once I'll make these as a comments so that you can have all of them. I'll just save this file and will give you this file so that you can take advantage of these files.